Lately, I've been getting a lot of requests for organization tips that are quick and easy. I get that, I really do. But I have to be honest, the best way to organize properly is to actually take your time. A home rarely gets in disarray overnight, and getting it back in order isn't likely to be an overnight venture either. That said, there are a few circumstances where you simply need to get small areas in order right away, if for no other reason than to make your immediate space more productive, such as in a home office. Welcome back everyone. Today, as requested, I'm going to offer some quick, easy, and inexpensive home organization tips that you can use to get a small area in order. Now, as always, before we get started, if you want to be a part of the tribe, please subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Also, be sure to follow me on Instagram. Now, if you're here for it, let's get started. Tip number 1 is to use storage cubes and containers in drawers to cut down on clutter. For example, the Dollar Tree sells the perfect size collapsible storage cubes for that drawer that holds maybe your undergarments and your socks. The key here is to make sure that you use each storage cube for 1 or 2 like items only. So 1 cube could hold your socks, 1 could hold your underwear, 1 could hold t-shirts, and so forth. It definitely won't help you organize if the cubes become catch-alls, so labels are also beneficial here. Tip number 2, use metal S-hooks, self-adhesive plastic hooks, or command hooks to hang all sorts of things, keeping them off of countertops and keeping your cabinets clutter-free. For example, you could arrange several on the inside of your cabinets to hang your pot lids to keep them neat and easily accessible. Or use them to hang pot holders, keys, jewelry, or anything else to help free up surface space. One bonus tip here is you can hide items by hanging them inside cabinet doors. Now, before we move on to tip number 3, let me know in the comments below what area you'd like to see more quick organizing tips for, and I just may do a video on your proposed topic. I'm happy to help and can't wait to see what you guys come up with. Now for tip number 3, use the back of your bedroom or bathroom door, or even the inside of a walk-in closet, to hang an inexpensive Walmart shoe holder to organize anything from hair accessories to ties and even toiletries. Or you could use it for its intended purpose and hang shoes, freeing up space in your closet and keeping your floors clear. Now that you're aware, please share. And for more like this coming down the pike, all we ask is that you please like. Above all, be kind, and we'll see you in the next video.